Hi guys, what car should you buy if you have only $1,000 or euros to do it? First of all, if you put the question that way, let me suggest that you are not going to spend anything on the maintenance of this car. Usually, I recommend to keep in mind that any car in any condition would need some money on maintenance. And of course, it depends on the basic price of the car. I mean the new car price. However, if we talk about cars for 1K, then maybe it is a reasonable thing not to maintain it at all, because the car would be almost dead and you would drive it until the full death of the car or until you find another buyer interested in a car for 1K. And one more thing, if you can avoid somehow buying such car, please do it and use, for example, a public transport or just rent a car, because it would be a great headache. So let's move on to the topic, and what you should buy is a basic and the simplest model of a widespread car maker in your country. In some countries it would be something like Nissan Sunny, somewhere Dacia Logan, something like that. Think only about basic models. The idea is that you don't need to look for exact car maker, exact model. You just need to find a car that seems most alive from all others. Why you shouldn't buy something like 20 years old Toyota Camry or Honda Accord? On the one hand, they are quite simple car, but still they are more complicated than basic models of even these car makers. They just have more things that could be broken, and that is why you need as simple car as a stone. What should you look for when searching for such car? First of all, its body. It shouldn't be rusted and it shouldn't be totally damaged. I mean, had a major accident. Secondly, have a test drive of several cars of the same model, and you probably would suggest how it should run properly. And third, don't care too much about all other things, because car body condition is your safety, and while test drive you would find out, at least for the first several thousand kilometers, if you would have any problems with the car. If you found this video helpful, please press the like button and subscribe for more about cars and money. Thank you, see you soon.